Okay, for many years, Boys Ranch founder Cal Farley spoke on radio programs in Amarillo, and the boys at Boys Ranch listened to him on this 1927 Atwater, Kent radio. Mr. Farley communicated with the ranch through his noon radio program. When Mr. Farley planned a trip from Amarillo to Boys Ranch, he would announce his planned arrival on the radio to let the boys know when to go north to the north side of the river and help pull Mr. Farley's car across with mules. This radio was the boys' only source of media entertainment for over a decade. When it came time to repair the museum piece, lifelong electronics enthusiast Eloy Heras was tapped for the project. Heras devoted many hours to the restoration, researching the radio and searching for parts. He was born December 13, 1943 in Alice, Texas, and pursued his interest in electronics from an early age. In 1963, he married his high school sweetheart, Irma, and 5 months later, he joined the U.S. Navy. While in the Navy, he learned the latest in digital electronics, including computers and GPS, while serving in California, Vietnam, and Cambodia. He also taught electronics at the Naval Command Schools. He retired in 1985 and moved to Amarillo in 1987, where he became involved in business and the boards of the Amarillo Opera and the Texas Panhandle War Memorial. After moving to Amarillo, he learned about Boys Ranch and became interested in its mission. Heras was honored to bring the prized heirloom back to life. This now functional vintage radio is a testament to his life's work in electronics as well as his admiration of Farley and Boys Ranch.